Hey guys, Chenmay here. Welcome to Upskillian. So, when asked about this particular interview question, what are applied steps in Power Query? This is how you should answer that. So, applied steps refers to a series of actions and transformations that have been applied to the dataset in the Power Query editor. Okay. So whatever transformations we do, Power Query or Power BI keeps a note of that in the applied steps. That's the good thing about applied steps, right? So you can go to the steps and see what all transformations have happened. Okay. Now each of this step basically specifies a specific operation that's being performed on the data. It could be like replacing the text, or filtering the data, sorting the data, changing the data type, removing the columns, rows, and a lot. And all of these steps, guys, are applied in sequential order. Okay, so what's the benefit of having applied steps? It provides auditability. Now, what's auditability? Basically, whatever transformations you or me as a developer we have done, we can see that. For example, let's suppose you are a developer who is working in this project and you have gone on leave. So there is another developer who is working meanwhile. They see the applied steps and get to know what all transformations have been applied. Okay. The other feature of applied steps is editability. So once you have done a transformation, you can again change that. You can either delete that particular step or edit that particular step also. But all these steps cannot be edited. There are some steps which can only be edited. Okay. So how do you know which all steps can be edited? Towards the right side of the step, you will see a small settings icon. If that's present, you can edit that particular step. If that's not present, you cannot edit that. We'll see that practically in some time. The other feature of applied steps is repeatability. So let's suppose you have done a transformation, you can now apply the same to the subsequent steps also, right? You do not have to do it again and again. And the last one could be troubleshooting. So let's suppose you are facing an issue with your data. Now you can go to these applied steps and see what all transformations you have done, and you can basically do certain changes to that so that you do not face that particular issue. Right? Now, when you answer this, guys, you can be asked a follow-up question also, that can you rearrange these steps in applied steps? The answer is yes, we can rearrange the steps, but we need to make sure that they are rearranged properly, else it will throw an error. Okay, so now let's head over to my laptop and see this practically. Okay guys, so I am in Power BI, and if I want to go back to Power Query, how do I do that? I have to go to the Home tab, and here I see under the Query section I have something called as Transform Data. I'll click on this and it will take me back to Power Query. Okay. Now you can see, guys, that whatever transformations I have done earlier, towards my right side I have the applied steps here. Okay. And as I said, in few of these steps you see a settings icon here, and in few you do not. So wherever you see this gear type settings icon, there you mean you can change or edit this particular step. But wherever you do not see, you cannot edit that. Okay. The other thing is, guys, if you want to delete an applied step, you can see that when you hover towards the left, you see this red icon. If you click on that, it will delete that applied step. But make sure, guys, if you have deleted an applied step, you cannot get it back. There is no Control Z or undo redo option here. So you need to be 100% sure before deleting an applied step. Okay. So that's about applied steps, guys. I'll see you in my next video where we'll be discussing about some of the more options that we have in the applied steps. Thank you for watching. All the best. Hey guys, I hope you loved this video. If yes, please like this video, subscribe to Upskillian, and If you want more such videos, please put it in the comment section. Thank you everyone. Have a great day.